Everyone thought she was just a drop of water, but no one knew that inside Sprunky Marina lives the energy of an entire ocean. Once, she was part of a great storm, until lightning struck and the water gained consciousness, rhythm, and a little bit of confidence. Since then, Marina has been traveling through the world of Sprunky, leaving behind trails of rhymes, bubbles, and slightly soggy jokes. Her mission? To find someone who can handle her strongest bass drop. Because when she goes full power, the oceans themselves start to dance. But don't worry, today she's in a good mood. For now. This was Sprunky Marina. And yes, she sounds deeper than you think.